Hello, my name is Juana and I'm passionate about the World Wide Web. I want to invite you to subscribe to Launch Your Own Portfolio Nano Degree. But before anything, let's take a step back. What is a portfolio, right? Well, a portfolio provides insight into your personality and your work. It is literally a website where you display your projects, what qualifications you have, what are your beliefs, and ultimately what skills recommend you. If you were to look for a job or say apply for a scholarship, a portfolio would be your best ambassador. But where to start building one, right? That's the question. Well, have no fear, that's why we are here. We will take a step-by-step approach and we will use a framework that allows us to create a website and have it up and running in a matter of minutes. And that's important, you will see, when you have an entrepreneurial mind. Do I need to code, you will ask yourself? No, and that's the best part of it. Although this nano degree is a tiny bit technical, I promise you everything is within the manageable limits. And actually, at the end of it, you will feel like you got some technical skills. And that's a great feeling, you will see. Besides this, of course, we need great text, stunning media content, but that's just another part that we will focus on. Summarize. At the end of this nano degree, you will know what are the steps to take in order to launch a portfolio, and actually any website for that matter, how to actually do it, and last but not least, you will have a portfolio up and running in the World Wide Web. Looking forward to working with you in my nano degree.